Alright, today we both gonna be unboxing the Air Jordan Powder Blue 9s, blues, and then we have a special guest today. Introduce yourself.
Ike Extra.
It's the box that it comes in. Got the Air Jordan on the top of the box with the red Jumpman. It's wrapped in some white paper. That's what they look like. As you can see, Nike is coming back with Michael Jordan's alma mater colors. We got the powder blue, the white, and then we have the black. As you all know, he went to the University of North Carolina, so paying homage to his alma mater. Of course, we have the all-white Summit white leather uppers. Then we have the black on the tongue, on the shoelaces, and then on the eyelets. We have some Jumpmans at the bottom on the midsole, a black Jumpman. All right, so now we doing copper pass. So what you doing? You copping or you passing?
Copping.
I'm copping too, definitely.
Hands down.
I think these is nice.
Ain't stronger like the run. I eat racist. Break it down like the